Welcome viewers to this video. This video is a presentation on a form which is from Hotel Park Hyatt, Goa. And this, of course, you'll have to read with me. I'll read for you also. Let us first understand what it is. You can see, of course, the logo of brand Park Hyatt, the details of address, phone, fax. We have already seen this in the documents that uh, our college had printed. This document, this form is called Waiver and Release of Liability for Medicines Provided. Waive is something like to forego, to permit. It's like saying that I forego my claims. And release of liability is that the guest is saying that we will not blame the hotel if something goes wrong on consumption of medicine. This medicine has been supplied by the hotel with the assistance of a bellboy because the guest has requested it. Since medicine, no, could have medicine could be expired, medicine could be illegal, could be counterfeit, medicine could also be wrongly given by the chemist. So hotel does not want to get into a legal tangle, and therefore we request all the guests before we submit any medicine to them, provide any medicine to them, to fill this form and sign it. I'll read it for you. I hereby acknowledge that at my request, Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa has supplied me with the following medicines. So here we'll write the names of the medicine that guest had requested. It is always better to get a prescription from the guest for this medicine. Otherwise, even chemists may refuse to give the medicine to you, and they may also refuse to give you a bill for this medicine. So get the prescription, make a photocopy, and then fill this form. I hereby acknowledge means I admit that I understand, I admit that I know. So he is saying that this medicine has been gotten by Park Hyatt at my request, the guest request. It is my sole decision. It is like my only decision. I am responsible for it to ask Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa for services of supply of medicines, and that I will use these medicines entirely at my own risk. So hotel is trying to get out of this risk if something goes wrong. If these medicines cause me any personal injuries, allergies, reactions, pain, discomfort, medical complications, or loss of life, it would be at my sole risk, meaning it would be at the guest's risk only. Hotel is not responsible for it. Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa, its servants, employees, agents will accept no responsibility under any circumstances for the safety or efficacy of these medicines. Efficacy means effectiveness. So these medicines may work, may not work, and Park Hyatt should not be blamed if these medicines don't work or work in a manner that is unexpected, undesirable. And I release. I release means I allow, I permit, I let them go. I release Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa of any liability. Liability is the claim which a guest may have if they can prove in a court of law that hotel was responsible for any injury or loss of life. So this release of liability is to protect the hotel against legal claims and against heavy compensation demands by these guests. Now look at this addition. Apart from the agents and staff, we are also including I hereby release Hyatt Hotels Corporation, its parent and subsidiaries, meaning the parent company and other companies which are part of the parent company and not directly related to Park Hyatt Goa. Officers, directors, agents, affiliates are people who are not either employees or owners of Park Hyatt, but they may have some business relationship with Park Hyatt Goa. And then employees, the owner of the hotel. Now, this could be a situation where the building owner is different, and Park Hyatt may just be a management contract company. To understand this concept of independent owner and management contract company, please read the chapter on hotel classification. And each of them, they they would be called collectively as Hyatt. So all these people, uh, corporation, parent, subsidiaries, they would be called as Hyatt from hence onwards, from here on. From any and all claims, and understand that the medicines provided by the hotel are at my request and at my risk. So look at the language. The language is so comprehensive, so detailed, that we do not want any of our associates to get involved in any legal hassle, legal tussle, and be punished by the law. Further, it's not complete. Just look at this. I hereby agree to waive any and all of such claims, damages, demands, rights, or causes of action, which means the guest is actually owning up that he will not make any claims against us and will not demand anything from the hotel. Such release and waiver is to be binding upon my heirs. Heirs are the sons and daughters, or other legal heirs, or somebody with power of attorney who can file court cases on behalf of this guest. This would be important in the situation when the guest dies because of that medicine dosage. So this document actually prevents even the heirs and other executors like power of attorney holders, administrators of the company, and assignees. Assignees are somebody who this guest may actually give the responsibility to follow a court case, legal case. Further, I hereby agree to release and discharge Hyatt from any and all liability as stated above. So you notice we are repeating a few things again and again, so that guest cannot say that, oh, I did not read this, I missed it. So we are asking him to release us from all liabilities again and again, so that guest cannot hide behind an excuse that, oh, you wrote in small print, or you only wrote it once, I missed it, I was anxious. So this is the power of repetition. I acknowledge that I have carefully read this waiver and release and fully understand that it is a waiver and release of liability. So not only we are asking him to read, but also he is undertaking that he understands what he is doing. So he cannot claim later on that he was not in the right condition of mind. Of course, no legal cases uh, can crop up in all kinds of circumstances, in all kinds of ways. And lawyers are great at creating cases, fighting cases. But then we are trying our best to get out of legal complications so far as possible. And then the facts once again: date of delivery of the medicine, time of delivery of medicine, name of the guest, room number, and this is the place where the guest will sign. And this sign must be compared with the sign on the registration card, guest registration card. And if he has any ID proof, then with that ID proof also, to make sure that the signature is authentic and no false claims are raised later on that, no, this is not my sign, somebody else signed on it, or you made a bogus form, you made a bogus sign. So this signature must be verified with great care, so that no accusations are leveled against the management of the Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa. So that's all in this video, and I would like to thank my student who got this form for me. And I also wholeheartedly, sincerely thank the management of the Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa for sharing this document with our student, so that now I can share it with my students and also students of all colleges in India and abroad. So thank you, Park Hyatt Goa Resort and Spa, and thank you, my dear students, who keep on supplying these forms and documents to me whenever they come back from their training. God bless you all. Take care. Have a great day and have a great career.